For the beginning step, I used a paper towel roll and I put it from one shoebox to the other, and then for the first step, I lined up a line of dominoes. For the third step, I used a wooden block and a Toblerone package to make a little prop for a ramp. And to make the ramp, I cut out some foam board, and then I cut out 2 thinner strips and hot glued them to guide the ball. This is actually the 6th step, but I wanted to make some kind of pulley, so I used these little plastic cups and I poked a hole in them, and then I tied a yarn to them to make a little pulley. For the 4th step, I decided to use 1/4 of a foam circle to curve the ball. And for the 6th step, back to the 6th step, instead of one of the plastic cups, I decided to tie a golf ball to it and hot glue it on there. For the plastic cup on the other side, I decided to tape a battery to it because I needed something a little bit heavier on the other side. For the 5th step, I put another line of dominoes, which would hit the golf ball. I did about the same thing on the other side, except I put a stick there to knock the dominoes down. From here, I started working backwards, so I put in the last step, which was the funnel, by using a little hook and some tape. This is also part of the last step. I needed something that would hold the water bottle in place after it fell, so I used an oatmeal box and I cut out a little indentation of a water bottle. For the 9th step, I needed something to knock down the water bottle, so I put an indent in a heavy box and used it to lean on a straw for support. And to connect the 7th and the 9th step, I decided to put another line of dominoes, which would knock down the straw. Alright, so first I'm going to drop the marble down this tube, which will then, the marble will hit the dominoes, and the dominoes will hit this stick, which will allow this styrofoam ball to roll down the ramp, and this styrofoam will turn the ball, which will hit these dominoes, and these dominoes will hit the golf ball, and the golf ball will fall down, rising the battery up, and when the battery comes up, it's going to hit the stick, which will make these dominoes fall, and then these dominoes will knock down the straw, which is the straw, to the box, and the box will fall into the water bottle, and the water bottle will fall, and the water will go into this funnel and down, watering the plant. Odie! Trial 1, fail. I'm scared. Alright, this is trial 2 with a heavier box. Okay. Go? No. 3, 2, 1, go. This is trial number 3. Hooray. In 3, 2, 1, go. Booyah! This is trial number 4. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go.